Yay guys, my name is Priscilla Elias and today we'll talk about clarity. With just one slide of a button, you can bring your photo from here to here. But after all, what does clarity do to your photo? If you want to edit like a pro, you absolutely need to know the clarity feature. It is one of my favorite features in editing since literally with a slide of a button, you will see your photo change drastically in terms of details. Clarity is basically a part of contrast. Both of them will increase the sharpness to your photo, but the main difference between contrast and clarity is that in contrast, you will enhance the whole image, while when you use clarity, the adjustments will be done exclusively to the midtones of the image, and with that, when you increase it, you will see your photo gaining sharpness and texture. I'm not sure if you can find this feature in any editor, but I know that it is available both in Lightroom and Camera Raw. If you're using Photoshop, you can add clarity either editing it straight in Camera Raw and then taking your photo to Photoshop, or if you want to use it directly in Photoshop, you can create a Camera Raw filter and then use the clarity feature. Other editors might have or not have this feature, but most of them usually have a similar adjustment button that you can use to achieve similar results, such as the structure feature in Instagram, which is, in my opinion, a mix of clarity with other things, but mainly a mix of clarity and texture. And here's a practical example of what clarity can do to your photo. I will do this in Lightroom CC, but you can also use it in Lightroom Mobile. I'll quickly make some adjustments to the clarity of this portrait in two opposite directions. First, I will increase my clarity in the whole image. Here you will see how I have an expressive gain of details and texture to my photo. But sometimes having more texture and details is not something we would like to see everywhere in our photo. Usually for portraits, you don't want to see so much clarity in your skin. So what you can do is to select a brush over here at your right, paint over the area you want to adjust, and decrease the clarity so you will have a smoother and softer skin. And please have in mind that editing the perfect skin is not this simple. If you want to try to fix imperfections in your skin just by decreasing your clarity, you will have a fake, artificial look that is probably not something that you will want. But using it slightly, depending on the photo, can be super nice. It is definitely a feature I use in higher or smaller amounts to all of the photos I edit. If you bring it higher, you will have more contrasty, strong, detailed photos. While if you don't use it or if you bring it down, you will have a softer, more dreamy kind of look to your images. This is a feature you gotta use. Just be careful not to overdo it. After all, as everything in life, or pretty much everything, the best results are achieved when we find the perfect balance. And I hope this quick tip was helpful to you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You will help me a lot by doing that. So I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!